Hello and welcome to this tutorial video demonstrating how to download your NGI sequencing data using the DDS system. DDS is a command line tool developed by the data center at SciLife Lab together with NGI. It consists of a command line interface and a web interface. In order to access your data, you first need a DDS account. You will receive an email with registration instructions when you are added to a delivery project, either by NGI or the project owner. And this email will be sent from a SciLife Lab email. So you click this sign up link, which will redirect you to a page where you can create your account. And please do save your username and password somewhere so you won't forget them. If you are working on Rakam, there is a module you can load, so you don't have to install DDS. So, module load bioinfo tools. Then module load DDS CLI. Then we can start the program. Now, this is different for Bianca, and there are special instructions for Bianca here on this page. And please visit the same page to also find executables for Mac, Linux, and Windows. These links are also found on the NGI website along with more information. Then, when you have downloaded the executable file, you go to your terminal to install DDS according to the instructions. So you enter /the file, then you might get a permission denied, but you can change the permissions of the file with this command. Now you can open the file. So you open it with the terminal. Open. Okay. There. And now you can run the program. Okay, now I will show you how to set up the two-factor authentication. So you go to your terminal, and then instead of logging in the normal way, you enter DDS auth two-factor. And then you can choose between either authenticating with the app or with email. So let's choose the app. Then you log in and you follow the instructions that follow. Now we are ready to log in. So we enter DDS auth login. Enter our username, password. And then either if you have used your email, you will go to your email to check and see the code you just received and enter it. Or if you have changed it to use the app, then you will enter the code from the app. Okay. And if you are using your email, then please note that it could take some time to receive the email due to some mail servers having a special spam filter. So we can start by entering DDS ls to list the projects that you belong to. So you can see the ID and title, PI, status, last updated, and size, and also access. So if a project is set as available, it is available for download. In progress means it's ongoing, but it's not ready for download yet. And archived means that the project has been archived because it has been more than 45 days since the delivery. So the prompt asks you if you want to view the files. To download specific files, this step is necessary to see the names of the files you want to download. But if you wish to just download all files of a project, you can just use the A option. But I will check the delivery content of a project to fill in a project name. Just this one. There. Then you can see, so you could enter the folder. So to exit, just press enter. You could also enter DDS list P project name and tree. And there you can also see the project content. And remember, you can always see all the options if you enter DDS list help. So let's say I want to download all files of a project, then I would use DDS data get. So to see which options you can use, then you can type DDS data get help. So the star shows you which option is required and everything else is optional. So you only have to specify the project and then either A for all content or S for a specific folder or file. The verify checksum is recommended to use to check the integrity of the download. I will choose to download all files and also to verify the checksum. So first make sure you have enough disk space. And remember, you can see the size of the project content by entering DDS ls. To see the size of individual folders and files, you can enter DDS this P project name size. It's probably best to download the project data in a screen as well. Okay, now I will download the project content. And also verify the checksum. Let's call it the same, this folder. And there you can see that the integrity is being checked as the content is being downloaded. There, the download is complete, and you can see that the verification went okay, and the folder is containing the files at its destination folder. Thank you for watching. Hopefully all is clear and you are now ready to download your project data. If any questions pop up, please do not hesitate to contact the NGI support. Goodbye.